Hello guys, welcome to ilmis.com. I am your teacher Vestalat. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create a login page using Adobe Photoshop CC 2018. If you didn't sign up so far on our ilmis.com YouTube page, please do subscribe and try to create an account on ilmis.com as well. So let's start now. First of all, I will create a new canvas. I will create a new canvas in Adobe Photoshop. The canvas size I will take is 16880 by 96, and the resolution will be 72 as we are creating this page for the web page. So we use the standard resolution 72 over here. Okay, I will press the create button. So as you can see, we have a canvas over here. I will just increase the size a little bit. Let's keep it 1280 by 1024. So this is the standard size that we use for to create any website, to create any website template. So I will use the same. So after that, I will create a one layer. I will create one layer over here. So the layer, I will just add one layer color. So as you can see, the layer color is here. So I will just make it the full size of this layer. Okay. After this, I will create one. I will create one box in which we will create a form for the login. So the box size will be on the center. I will just add one little bit color over here. I'm just creating the places first. Then we will work on the theme. Okay. So let me make it a little bit lighter. So this is the very light blue color, and I will apply border radius of 20 pixel. Okay, so as you can see, the 20 pixel border radius is over here. It's already applied. After this, I will create one form. So to create the one form, I will just add one heading first. The heading will be said like login on ilmis.com. So obviously the heading size is very bigger. So I'll just make it proper size. Okay. So this is also the bigger size. Let's make it 40. Okay. So this is our heading. Let me decrease the line height as well. So the line height I will make 50. Okay. And I will just select both layers, and I will make it horizontal center. Sorry, vertical center. Okay. So the text is vertical center now. I will make the heading color white. After this, I will make it this background white just to make it a little bit clean. Okay, and I will apply the heading color different. It looks much better. Okay, I will decrease the size a little bit more. Okay, the size has been applied. After that, I will create one form over here. In the form, I will make two input boxes, one for email and the second one is for password. So for the input boxes, I will make one box first. Also, I will apply the border radius just to make it the radius, full radius of the box. The fill by default, I have not set any fill color by default, so that's why I need to make it. Okay, so just don't worry about it. I will change the color a bit. Sorry. I will just double click on the layer, thumbnail of the layer, and I will just change the color of it a little bit. After this, I will add one placeholder. Uh, the placeholder will be said enter your email address. I will make it like a placeholder. It's not a placeholder right now. So for a placeholder, I will make it the size 16, and I will place it on the center of the on the middle of this input box. Okay. I will also change the color of this placeholder text. This should look like a placeholder. This should not look like a heading. Okay. After that, I will add enter your password. I'll just make it left align. Okay. And then I will just repeat one box. I just copied this path and the paste it on the same place by using Control C and Control V. Okay. Yeah. So this is our form. These are our input boxes. Then I will place one text over here. If like as you can see, if you forget your password, then what you should do? You will click on this. You will click on this forget password link, and then you will move to the next page, right? So this is a kind of workflow that we used to follow. Forget password. So the forget password link color will be same as we have in the heading. So this should look like a link. So here is my forget password button. Sorry, link. Then I will place one. Then I will try to create one button. So the button will. So the button will be placed on just below the forget password link. Okay. So here is where. So this will be my button. I'll just copy the same vector path just down below, and I will just change the color of this button box. So the color will be, I will just make it a little bit attractive and beautiful. So because it's a call to action, and the call to action should be a bit more prominent, and this should be more clickable button. Okay. So I'm just following the standard height of these buttons. So you can just follow the same. Okay. And then I will uh, change the gradient a little bit. So for the gradient, I will make it left to right. This should like same color. So I'm just trying to make it a little bit different. So the pink is I need to make it a little bit. I just need to match the contrast of the blue and pink. So this it's not matching right now. I think this should look better. Okay. So this is my button. I will just place the text over here. The text will be said login now. So I will make it white. I will select both layers by using the shift key, and then I will make it. I'll just select both layers, and then I will use alignment options over here. I will make it middle align, and I will make it center align horizontally and vertically. Okay, so this will be center align if you will choose the both layers. Okay, and I will just make it 20. Sorry, it's not center align, it's right align right now. The text. Okay. So if you are using the center text align, then I will prefer just use the alignment, the same alignment for the text as well, not for the box only. So this is our login box. Now I will just place one register box. For the register one, I will not use the same pattern of the color that I'm using for the login now. This should be different because the login now should be more prominent, but the register now should not be as prominent as the login now is. Okay. So for the register now, I will use register option over here. I will make it create an account. I think this text looks better. Create an account. Okay. I will change the I'll change the style of the button. So for the button style, I'll not apply any fill color into this. I will clear the gradient style. This should look better, I think. So here is my. So this is a form that I have created. Okay, it's almost done. I'm just placing one paragraph over here. The paragraph will be said, please log in by using the form below. So the text should be same as the text style should be same as we have on the interview email address. Okay, so the text color is this. So I'll just copy the same text color and I will apply into that. So and we'll change the size as well. So it will be 16. It should not be bold as well. So I'll just remove the bold style. Okay. I will just I'll select all the layers under the which are under the subheading, and I will move a little bit up so that it will be center aligned of the whole box, of the whole white box. Okay. So this is looking much better. This is looking much better. So actually, you need to work on the very professionally. So the everything so everything makes impact on your design. So the alignment and the font size and everything should be more prominent. Everything should be more clear for the user, not prominent. Okay. So not everything should not be prominent. The prominent things should be less. Okay. So we can't make prominent everything. Okay. So our form is almost ready. Yeah. So our form is ready right now. Okay. So if you have any question, just feel free to comment on on this video. So if you want to suggest anything, then I'll always there for you. Okay. If you need any help, just feel free to comment down below. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. Just join ilmis.com, sign up ilmis.com, and uh, find us on the YouTube as well, and subscribe ilmis.com channel. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.